Hi, welcome to the Game Changers. So today I'm going to talk about a little bit of index analysis, a little bit of comparison between the overall market and what specific indices are doing. I'm going to give you an example of little bit of the past examples where I can create a certain type of methodology where it will help you to think for yourselves and try to figure out what is happening in today's market. So chalo, let's see how we can go about this. So first, I want to talk about the index, which is Nifty 50 here. Here you can see this is Nifty 50. Now this index from this high of September 24 has already fallen nearly 14%. Right? Now let's have a look at the previous fall in the market, which started in October 21. And it had fallen nearly 18%. So normally 15% एक एवरेज रहता है जहां पे आप ये एज एन इन्वेस्टर सोच सकते हो कि कहां पैसा डालना है. तो when we look at a fall like 18%, 14%, even this previous fall, let's say the COVID का fall. COVID का fall कितना बुरा था? Nearly 40%, right? It is important to see during these tough times in the market. पहला एक चीज हम देखेंगे कि ये जब पीरियड में जब मार्केट गिर रहा है कौन सा ऐसा इंडेक्स है जो गिर कम रहा है. फर्स्ट, इट हैज टू फॉल लेसर. ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट, आफ्टर दैट यू वांट द इंडेक्स टू गो अप एंड ब्रेक दिस पिवट हाई क्विकली. This is what I mean by an index should create an all-time high. When the price breaks this previous pivot high, it makes an all-time high. I would want you to search for such indices. I'll give you an example. So 2021 में, right, when the market had fallen 18%, on this side of the screen, I'm going to put a chart of indices, right? And let's have a look at what changes. See the auto index in 2021. Are you seeing the fall here? The auto index was the first index to make all-time high. That means what? The index refuses to fall even when the overall market is falling. So as retail people, we don't understand कि अंदर क्या चल रहा है, कि मतलब क्या न्यूज़ है. The only thing that we can look at is price, and we have to believe price. कि if some index is making all-time high when the overall market is still down, that means you want to focus on the index, right? Let's have a look at the other index. See, the Indian consumption story also made a high quicker than the market. The market made a high only in November of 22. You want to see indexes that have making highs quicker. Energy index did not. Financial services was a significantly underperforming index. मतलब क्या, ये जो previous high है, this was broken in June 23, while the overall market broke the highs in November 22. तो हम लोग को चाहिए कि November 22 से पहले previous high टूटना चाहिए. That will give you conviction. See, the FMCG broke it very soon, right? It was in this month itself, which was July 22. So one can focus on these sectors. And there are good rallies. What about the IT index? IT index was something which fell much more than the overall market. तो ऐसे लगता है ना कि यार ये इतना गिर चुका है, सस्ता है तो ले लेते हैं. ये कॉन्सेप्ट ना थोड़ा गलत है. जो सस्ता है वो ले लेते हैं, दैट शुडंट बी योर फोकस, बिकॉज दैट मीन्स व्हाट, while the market has already started going up, and if something is still cheap, that means you want to buy something which is underperforming the overall market, which you should generally avoid. So what about the media index? Should you have bought the media index? No, absolutely not, because the index had fallen nearly 35%, while the overall index had only fallen 18%. One should avoid this. What about the metal? Metal index was so and so, it was with the market. There's nothing extraordinary. So auto sector was the extraordinary index, while the PSU bank sector was an extraordinary index. So these type of patterns where this pivot high, I am not talking about all time high always. तो PSU बैंक ऐसी एक सेक्टर था जो सालों साल बहुत ज्यादा गिरता था. मार्केट थोड़ा गिरता था, PSU बैंक सबसे ज्यादा गिरता था. अभी थोड़ा सा बदल गया यहाँ पे कि यहाँ पे मार्केट तो गिरा बट PSU बैंक ज्यादा गिरा ही नहीं. एंड इट वॉज द फर्स्ट टू ब्रेक द प्रीवियस पिवट हाई. दैट मीन्स दैट this is going to be an outperforming sector. Now, will this always work? No, sometimes it can fail. But what we can do as investors is try and position ourselves in the right direction. So, for example, 2020 में मार्केट जब 40% गिरा था, कौन सा ऐसा इंडेक्स था जिसने पहला ऑल टाइम हाई किया था? मेरे हिसाब से दैट वाज द आईटी इंडेक्स, बिकॉज आईटी इंडेक्स ब्रोक आउट इन द मंथ ऑफ जुलाई while the market was still down for the year and still way below its previous high. So this sector one should have targeted in 2020. Now when we look at the market, we have to analyze in a similar way. I don't want to give any tips and advisories कि कैसे analyze करना चाहिए या अभी कौन सा sector चलेगा. What we can do is have a discussion here where I will have a look at all the sector charts here, and maybe we can mark out some things which have fallen less. Currently there is no sector which might have broken out. We'll have a look. So this is the market. The market has fallen nearly 14-15%. The auto index is down 22%. So that is quite high. You don't want, we can keep it aside. What about the Indian consumption index? It is currently down 20%. Okay. What about the energy index? Energy index has fallen 34%. तो ये तो पूरा अवॉइड ही करना है. One should not try and bottom fish in this index. One can try and do it in auto and even consumption because they have gone up quite a bit. ये energy वाला index तो has given up all the gains of the previous rally. So one should just avoid. This is super interesting. This is the financial services sector. In this sector, the sector has fallen only 11%. It's very surprising, and it is very close to even all-time highs. It's very interesting. What about the FMCG sector? FMCG sector has cracked down. Oh my god, this is really bad. Nearly 22%, and the fall is kind of vicious. So currently we are supposed to focus on sectors which fall the least. IT sector has fallen quite less in comparison to the overall market. It has fallen only 12%, right? What about the media? This you guys can answer very easily. From the previous highs, the media is down 33%. So it's not worth putting money in that sector. Metal sector is something that is starting to recover here. But how much has it fallen? Fallen nearly 22%. So until and unless this metal sector breaks the previous high, while market does not, that would be a good sign to get into the metal sector for the longer term. And we are talking only about long term here. So similarly, you guys can analyze even the banking sector, right? This sector has not fallen as much. So for now, it has fallen only 11%. So if there is a turnaround story in the banking sector, it's not that I'm saying कि ये लेना चाहिए. It is just that one should just keep an eye. One should always try and be invested in the right sectors. क्योंकि क्या होता है, ये sectors बहुत cyclical रहते हैं कि कभी 1-2 साल एक सेक्टर चल गया, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट साइकिल में कोई दूसरा ही सेक्टर चल जाएगा, उसके बाद और तीसरा सेक्टर चल जाएगा. It's always different sectors which move up. So what we want to do is put our money to a better and more efficient use. कि we don't want to be stuck somewhere जहां पे पैसा बन नहीं रहा है. हमको ऐसा पैसा डिप्लॉय करना है जहां पे टाइम and returns, it can take the least amount of time and the most amount of returns. That is what we are targeting. So I hope this helps. This is a very basic analysis of क्या करना है आपको. पहला चीज, आपको दिखना है कि मार्केट गिरा कितना है. अगर 13-15% गिर गया है तो then you find out sectors जो कम गिरे हैं और sectors जो रिकवर फास्टेस्ट हो रहे हैं. कि मतलब सपोज कुछ 30% गिर चुका है, बट उसने वो सेक्टर ने ऑल टाइम हाई पहला किया है. दैट कैन बी एन इंडिकेशन दैट इवन इफ द सेक्टर हैज फॉलन क्वाइट अ बिट, इट मेक्स ऑल टाइम हाई फर्स्ट. सो जस्ट दीज फ्यू पॉइंट्स एंड ऑब्जर्वेशंस, try and observe it for the current market scenario, and when you observe it, you'll get a better idea of what we can expect in the coming months and a couple of years. Chalo, bye, see you, thank you. And it's been a very short and nice, simple basic learning video. Tell me if it's helpful. Bye, see you soon. See you on Monday.